Hello everyone, I am Dr. A. Sajeevan Rao, working as a Dean, School of Commerce and Management, Lingaya Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, Faridabad. At our school, we make sure that we don't just provide jobs, but we actually create entrepreneurs. We crave for, making the society a better society. See, we have a plethora of courses which we offer in our school, starting from the courses of undergraduation. We can say that we do have BBA programs, BCom Honors, BMI, and PG courses, MBA, which has many specializations starting from marketing, finance, HR, and IB, and even we have for AI and IT also. We do offer PhD courses in our university where the researchers are guided in such a way that they produce the best and best of the research work in the university. You at Lingaya Vidyapeeth University are really going to be nourished and you're going to really enjoy each and every moment. It is like upbringing and coming, just blending two families together and working for a better future. Thank you very much.